thanks for joining me. Let's start some microgreens. So this is my first time growing microgreens, and I ordered a kit from the Mighty Microgreen. Came with all the directions and everything I need. So let's get started. So step number one is you take your growing medium and you soak it in exactly a half a cup of water. All right, that was super fast. So it absorbed all of the water. So we're gonna take our growing medium and we're going to put it in our little planting tray here. It's cold outside and I really wanna be in the garden growing things. I do have some things growing like lettuce and some broccoli and spinach and all those good brassicas that I grow in the winter, but I just really wanted to get my hands in some soil. So this kind of gives me that little garden fix, and I'm gonna be growing some beautiful garnishes for my beautiful garden plates that I like to create. So I just put the soil in there, and then I'm gonna take my top tray here and I'm just gonna gently flatten it out. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna try first some radish microgreens. I think those will be really pretty on top of some of my dishes. So it says to sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons on top. So let's do my half. Seems like a lot. Oh, that was the full teaspoon. And then my half. I like that they come in these like little resealable pouches. So you're gonna want your microgreens, if I can get that there, to be just kind of spread out evenly. If they're not, just kind of run your hand around. And then we put it back in our little tray here. And then we put the black one on top. Beautiful. And then I need a weight. I need to go to the garden and find something to weigh this down. Be right back. All right, so it's got a cute little candle holder. It's kind of heavy. I'm gonna put it on top of here. And then according to the directions, we wait 3 days and then we check back in. So see you in 3 days.